Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new subscription box that I wanted to kind of unbox with you guys and tell you guys a little bit more about. This is the American Influencer Beauty Bundle and they are sponsoring today's video. Basically, they just sent me this box. I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion, just go over everything in here. So a little bit about the subscription. It is done by American Influencer, which I am most familiar with them for the American Influencer Awards that they host. They do like a big awards ceremony for all sorts of categories in the influencer world and a lot of beauty influencers. I just know because Samantha March, she won like the skincare influencer of the year last year, so that's how I'm familiar with them. But they just started doing like a subscription box. This one is a bi-monthly box, which is kind of nice, so you get it every 2 months. So this is the June-July box that I will be sharing with you, and it will only be available to purchase through the end of this month. So in August it'll be a new one. With their boxes, they actually feature an influencer's brand as their box. So this one is Manna Kaddar. The last one I got was Guy Tang. He had all his hair stuff in the box, which was cool. And then next month they're going to be doing a Purlisse, so I'm really excited about that. But that's basically a little bit about it. I love supporting other creators and influencers, so I think this is a really cool box to do. This box is going to be $34. You get 5 to 6 full size of the products, all from one brand, and free shipping as well, which is pretty cool. So let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, so on the inside it says, "Be strong, be beautiful, be you. AIAawards.com." We have the cards. So like I said, this month is featuring Manna Kaddar. I'm not super familiar with her, but I have seen her brand around, and it says, "I am thrilled to be partnering with the AIA Beauty Bundle to bring you these products. Beauty Simplified is at the core of our company. I create products with you in mind to make your beauty routine easier. I hope you enjoy your Manna Kaddar goodies, as these are some of our favorite products. We want to see your looks, so please follow and tag us at Manna Kaddar Beauty." Super cute. Okay, so we have a lot of products in here. I will say I have seen some different Manna Kaddar things at my local Ross here and there, TJ Maxx, but I don't think I've seen any of these products in particular. So I did want to mention that because you guys know I do TJ Maxx videos a lot. The first thing, which I'm really intrigued with, this is their Hydrating Face Mist. It's beautiful. It almost looks like a little perfume. And that's a ton of product in here. That is 6 ounces of product. This retails for $19 and it has skin loving ingredients derived from seawater. It's a hydrating formula to help soothe and calm the skin and provide hydration before or after makeup. This does have a fragrance to it. It is nice and light though, and it does feel pretty hydrating on the skin. It felt really nice. Looking at the ingredients, they don't look too bad. Just the perfume, and it does use limonene and linalool at the end, which are essential oils. But it does look really nice, and I love that you get so much product. Alright, the next thing that we got, this is their Luxe Lash Serum. This is a lash serum to make your lashes appear thicker, shinier, and healthier. This has a before and after here on the back. So I'm wondering if this is something that you have to use like over a certain period of time. It says to apply 1 to 2 times daily to clean and dry lashes, and then you allow it to completely dry, and then you can apply like your mascara over it. So this retails for $29, and yeah, it says daily use of the serum will condition and strengthen lashes for a fuller, longer, healthier looking set. I could definitely use this. I don't really use lash serums ever because I'm honestly really lazy, and I never remembered to do it like at the end of the night. So I might try it and see how it is. Oh, it's on a brush. Usually the other ones are like on a little tip and then you apply it, but I do like that it's on a brush, so I feel like that would be easier to use. And with that, we actually got a mascara. This is the Turn It Up Volumizing Mascara. This retails for $29. It says rich, creamy, long-wearing mascara that won't dry out your lashes or cause flakes. It says it has a custom wand that reaches every part of the lashes, keeping them separated and defined for a perfect flutter with flair. And this is the packaging on that. I did want to go ahead and open this so you guys could see the wand. This one has a huge brush on it. I really haven't tried much Manna Kaddar products at all, so let me know if you guys have, what your thoughts are. I actually saw like one of their huge lash books at TJ Maxx last week. I think it was like 20 bucks, but it had like 18 lashes in it, and I was like, dang, I should have bought that because that would have been amazing. The next thing we got, this is the HD Perfecting Powder from them. You guys know me and powders. I always love it. because I always have oily skin and I need something to set my face like constantly throughout the day. So here is what the powder packaging looks like, and then here is the inside. It almost has like a snake skin print on the inside, which is pretty fun. From what I can tell, this does have a slight scent to it, and it's pretty powdery. So as you can see, it almost looks very white on the skin, which is not always something that you want because it is a little bit hard to blend. So you can see it did leave somewhat of a white cast for being like a supposedly translucent powder. Yeah, I don't know why it has a weird, like, almost rosy scent to it. But that one retails for $29. It says it creates a matte, silky smooth finish while eliminating oil and shine. It's a long wear universal powder for all skin types that keeps makeup put all day long. Next up, I got a bronzer and blush called Uptown. By the way, everyone does get the same things in this box. So if you buy this today, you will get these exact items. Okay, so here is the packaging. Again, this is a split pan, so you got your blush on one side and this bronzer on the other side, which could, I don't know if I would use it for bronzer. I don't love super sparkly bronzers like that. Let me go ahead and swatch it. The blush was very pigmented. It feels really good. And then this bronzer, we might be able to get away with it, or else you could use it as an eyeshadow as well, or a highlight if you guys are deeper skin toned. But those are the swatches of the blush bronzer duo. And with that one, it says that it's a multi-purpose time-saving compact that can be used as a blush, bronzer, highlighter, and shadow. Last but not least, I have the Lip Locked Priming Glass Stain. Very intrigued by this. This is the packaging on it. It's a beautiful shade, more neutral. So I feel like all these colors are really good. They picked out some neutral shades. It's not always fun to get something crazy and bright that you wouldn't use so much. This retails for $24, and it says it has a built-in primer for long wear and a smooth application. It's an innovative hydrating formula that combines the properties of a lip gloss and stain. So I actually kind of want to wipe my lip color off and try this on now just to see what it looks like. This color is a little bit more peachy on the lips than I was expecting, but it's still a nice neutral. And it does have quite a bit of shine. It's super comfortable. I'm gonna let this sit so I can see if it actually like dries down to a stain. We'll have to see, but I feel like since it's a gloss, I don't think it's gonna stay, but we'll see. So while this dries, I did want to go over, we did get 6 items in this box. Again, that was $34, and 34 divided by 6 products, that's about 5.5. Well, round it up to $6 a product. So that's really not bad for like full sizes. I like that you get a pretty good value with this box, and that once again it's highlighting different influencers and their brands and giving some love to maybe some not super popular brands. This lip color definitely transfers, but I think what it means by the stain is that, like, let's say mostly your lip product rubbed off, it would still leave a slight color underneath the shine and everything. So that is the beauty bundle for June and July with Manna Kaddar. All the products you would get, you could still get this if you guys want till the end of the month. I'll have my link down below if you guys would like to use. But yeah, like I said, next month is going to be Purely's, and I'm really excited to see what they do with that. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let me know if you guys have tried Manna Kaddar, what you guys think of her products, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.